Come away to Maghalaya sky, where the silent mountains touch so high. Fresh air blowing through the hills so free. No tension, no pressure, just peace to see. Clouds are dancing around your face, like heaven slowly found this place. Every heartbeat feels so light, chill mornings crystal bright. Oh, hear the river softly call. Nature sings beyond it all. In this land my soul can fly, under Maghalaya sky. Maghalaya, land of love and rain, healing every broken pain. Seven sisters waterfalls shine, like diamonds falling through time. Fresh wind touching hearts so deep, peaceful dreams the mountains keep. Clouds move gently all around. In Maghalaya love is found. Rolls through hills where cool breeze sings. Birds of morning spread their wings, standing high above the view. Sky feels close and heart feels new. No tension, no pension, worries fly, only smiling beneath the sky. Police bars are shining bright at night, Shalom city full of light. Take my hand, come walk with me to waterfalls wild and free, where loving hearts can softly stay, lost in clouds of